Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device and PC so the fix will work. Enable developer options and toggle USB debugging on. Plug a known good cable into a working USB port, then set the device connection to file transfer, because charging only blocks data. On your PC, install or update ADB drivers and run a DB devices to verify recognition. Once done, you'll know the device communicates, which is vital before altering app permissions or logs, so don't skip this step. Now you dig into what Fortnite reports and adjust permissions to resolve the USB debugging error. Start a DB logcat while launching the game to capture the precise fault. Look for permission denies or launcher crashes. Next, grant storage and USB-related permissions in app settings because missing permissions often block file mounts. If behavior persists, clear the app cache, and, if necessary, app data. Also revoke USB debugging authorizations, then reconnect and re-accept the prompt, since a stale authorization can finish by ensuring the app and routes are clean and validate the fix under real conditions. If corrupted files are suspected, reinstall Fortnite after confirming saved progress is cloud-synced, because a fresh install removes bad files. Then test various USB ports, a different cable, or a second PC to rule out hardware. If the error remains, capture a fresh DB logcat and note the exact error message. Make sure to provide that when contacting support, since specific codes speed diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.